The Jules 2 prototype stands as one of the most unconventional machines ever built for long-distance rally competition. Its story begins after Thierry de Montcorget's unexpected fame in the 1981 Paris-Dakar rally, where he drove the sponsor-backed Rolls-Royce Jules, an overland Corniche transformed into a desert racer. After this success, de Montcorget turned his attention to a far more ambitious goal: the planned Beijing-Paris motoring challenge, a revived raid intended to traverse the Soviet Union and Europe along remote, almost mythical routes last completed in 1907. The concept demanded a machine capable of extreme endurance, stability, and autonomy. De Montcorget designed it from scratch. The result was the six-wheeled Jules 2, a tubular-frame prototype with Kevlar bodywork, four-driven wheels, a 5.7-liter Chevrolet V8 producing roughly 320 to 370 horsepower, and a heavily modified Porsche 930 four-speed gearbox. Many components were engineered as sacrificial fuses, intentionally weaker to break before stressing the chassis. Two 150-liter side fuel tanks filled with aviation foam prevented fuel slosh at high speed. Inside, a pressurized cabin provided comfort during long, dusty stages. Everything suggested a purpose-built endurance titan until the Beijing-Paris event was canceled. De Montcorget completed the project anyway and entered the 1984 Paris-Dakar to honor the renewed sponsorship with Christian Dior and its Jules aftershave brand. Knowing the car wasn't optimized for Dakar, he arranged support from a Renault Sinpar assistance truck. Early performance was promising: stable behavior, high-speed capability, and off-road top speeds exceeding 200 kilometers per hour. But during the long Insala to Tamanrasset stage, several suspension components failed. The support truck, chasing victory in its own class, drove past without stopping. Repairs came too late. Jules 2 was out of classification. Still, de Montcorget piloted the prototype to Dakar, maintaining his contract and capturing media attention. Years later, he sold the car without its engine. After passing through several owners, a Belgian enthusiast restored it, installed a correct V8, and returned the machine to rally condition. Today, the revived Jules 2 is active again, entering the 2025 Morocco Desert Challenge and preparing for events such as the Dakar Classic, an extraordinary second life for one of the most radical rally prototypes ever created.